I'm sitting on the floor. So I sent my friends this picture earlier, and that's the response that I got. So naturally, here we are. Elliot's great 5-step tutorial to an absolute disaster of a hairstyle. Step 1. Don't wash your hair for like a week. Step 2. Stay in bed all day, preferably under the covers. Step 3. Wake up with the sudden need to wear human clothes. Step 3.5. Stare yourself in the mirror and ask yourself the meaning of all this. Step 4. Tie up your hair. Step 5. Untie it after 5 seconds. That's it. Enjoy the hairstyle that will make everyone stay very far away from you.
Everybody knows shit.